During this video, we're going to complete cube number 10. We want to select New and Standard IPT part file, so click on the Standard IPT. Next, we're going to select Start 2D Sketch. And this time, we're going to draw on a different plane. We're going to be drawing on the XZ plane. So this plane right here, we want to hover over the XZ plane and then select it with our mouse. Okay, next we're going to draw a cube first, and the cube's going to be a little bit different size than the 5x5 that we've been drawing. We want to select the rectangle command again. We're going to start at the point of origin, and we're going to drag, click and drag out, up and to the right in a positive direction. We're going to type in 5 tab 5 and enter. And next we're going to finish the sketch. And when we extrude this, we're going to extrude it a different dimension than what we've been extruding. We're going to extrude it 2 inches. So select Extrude, and we're going to type in 2, and OK. So you should have a 5x5x2 cube. Next, we're going to select the side that we're going to make the edit on. We're going to be selecting the top side of this cube. So click on the top of the cube with your mouse and select the icon all the way to the right, Create Sketch. And we're going to draw a 1x1 square on top of this. So select your rectangle command, and somewhere right around here draw a rectangle or a square that's 1x1. So type in 1 tab 1 and enter. Next, we want to make sure that this square lives in the correct location. So we're going to use our dimensioning tool to drive it to that location. I'm going to dimension from the bottom of this square to the bottom of the cube we have here. And I want this to read 2 inches. So type in 2 and enter. And then next we're going to draw, or not draw, but dimension from the left-hand side of this square to the left side of the cube. We want this to read 2 inches. Next we're going to select Finish Sketch, and we're going to extrude this square we just made on the top side of this cube. So click on that square first, and we want it to be 1 inch. So type in 1 in the dialog box and select OK. That is cube number 10.